today I'm going to be unboxing them, and I got these for winning the WWQ 2020. So I'll start with this smaller one. And there's a pouch, I think. Yeah. I can see, I think it's a notepad. Yeah. I'll open this. These are 10 plantable color pencils made from 100% recycled paper and edible colors. Interesting. I never knew you could make plantable color pencils. Yeah, I think these are the C's here. There are a lot of them. Very nice. The next, they are plantable crayons as well. Is everything plantable here? Yeah, very nice. Switch from use and throw to use and grow. I'm going to have a garden soon. Garden full of different plants, flowers. Notepad, okay. Plantable notepad, oh my god. How did they make these? Just look like normal paper. Here are the instructions on how to do it. Very nice. And this is plantable eco pens. First color pencil, crayon, notepad, and now pens. Wow. I think they have different colors. Nice. Yeah, that's it for the pouch. And next we have, what is this? I think it's an animal. Yeah, it's a rhino. Oh my god. It looks so cool. Let me take this out. It's in some sort of stand. Oops. Wow. It's written winner Wild Wisdom Quiz 2020 Anushna Gautam. I like it a lot. It'll be a good memory. So that's it for this smaller pack. Now moving on to this backpack.
मैले ब्रेक गरेँ
Oh, this one in I think this is a cloth. T-shirt maybe? Yeah, it's a t-shirt with a tiger on it. Looks so cool. I like it a lot. There's another one. I think it says Wild Wisdom Quiz. Yeah, it says Wild Wisdom. It's very good. Colorful. I like it. And we have, what is this? Watch? LED lenser. Headlamp. Outdoor headlamp. Wow. Looks pretty good. I like it. And we have cards, I think. Conservation deck. Let me open it. What is this? There are the rules here. Oh, instead of cards, there are pictures of animals here. I think those are like pixel drawings, sort of. Memory game, maybe? Yeah, memory game. Very nice. I like it. I'm going to play this with my brother. Ah, yes, there are a lot of books in here. I love books. Birds of Nepal. "500 Facts Animals" packet. Oh my god, I think it's a binocular set. My last set was broken and now I got a new one. Oh my god, so cool. I gotta open this. I think there's tape. Yeah. I'm going to use this to watch a lot of birds and animals. Oh, it's in a box. I'll go out somewhere after all this COVID is over. I'll convince my parents and I'll take these with me. It's an instruction packet. I think it's how to use it. Okay. Oh, I can take this easily. Wow, these look awesome. I'm going to see through them right now. We've got covers there. Oh, there's also something I can like sling it. It'll be easier to carry now. Wait, I need to take off my glasses. Wow, these are very clear. My last set was not very good. This one's so much better. I like it a lot. And next we have, I think, more books. Yeah, there's another book. Oh my god, it's so big. Kingston's Encyclopedia of Questions and Answers. It looks very nice. I have a lot of books. I'm going to add these to my set. I think it's all about nature. I like it a lot. And what's this? Oh, it's a water bottle. It opens with like this sort of, what do you call it, button. Very nice. I can take this when I'm out bird watching. And a notebook with WWF logo. I'm going to write a lot now. And now, what is this? It's your call. What's this? Oh, it's a whistle. Wow. So big. I like it. Like it a lot. And what's this? Is it a compass? I think it's a compass. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a compass. Oh my god, I like it. Looks so cool. And oh, there's a laptop compartment. What's this? Maybe another book? Oh. I think it's a book. A lot of books. It's about different animals. Red panda. It's in Nepali and both English. There's a lot of books here. A lot of them. I think each is about a different animal. Yeah, it is. Oh my god, there's so many of them. I can see the pangolin, rhino, gharial. Oh, what's this? Leopard? Yes. Oh my god, so cool. I think that's it. Yes. Thank you WWF for all these cool gifts. These are the gifts that I got from WWF. I like them a lot. I'm wearing the t-shirt. The other one is there. I like the books a lot. I'm going to be reading them and learning a lot about nature. The trophies here. I like the crayons, the headlamp, the compass, the cards, pen, pencil, the whistle, binoculars. I plan to go exploring soon. Soon as this COVID is over, I'll take this kit with me and go somewhere, perhaps Saura and Chitwan. I'll look at the animals there. I like them a lot, and out of them all, I like the most the headlamp, compass, binoculars, the crayons, the trophy of course, and the books. Thank you, WWF. So I was so excited with the other gifts that I didn't notice this letter that WWF sent me, so I'm going to be reading it now. Hi Anushna. First off, congratulations on securing first place in the Wild Wisdom Quiz 2020 National Finale. We have sent over a nature kit for you, equipped with the gadgets you would need to witness the magic of our planet. We do hope you use it and add it over the years with areas of interest that you discover. We hope you make many fun and unforgettable memories in nature with family and friends, and perhaps even on your own when you're old enough. Congratulations on being the winner of Wild Wisdom Quiz, Nepal, Asia's biggest wildlife quiz, and we wish you good luck for the international finale on 16th December 2020. Go Wild Wiz! Best! WWF Education, WWQ Team.